Hi everyone, and welcome to a brand new Studio 5 drone productions video. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey unlike any other.
Drones are everywhere today, in the sky, on battlefields, and even delivering your packages. But where did they come from? Let's take a journey through the fascinating history of aerial drones. The story of drones starts way back in the 19th century. In 1849, the Austrian army launched pilotless balloons loaded with explosives to attack Venice. Primitive? Yes, but this was the first step in the evolution of unmanned aerial systems. Fast forward to World War I. In 1916, British engineer Archibald Lowe developed the first radio-controlled aircraft, aptly named the Aerial Target. Though it never saw active service, it marked the birth of modern UAV concepts. World War II saw drones take flight in new ways. The British developed the Queen Bee, a radio-controlled drone used to train anti-aircraft gunners. Fun fact, this is where the term drone likely originated. Meanwhile, Nazi Germany created the infamous V-1 flying bomb, an early cruise missile that terrorized cities. During the Cold War, drones shifted from weapons to spies. In the 1950s and 60s, the US developed the Ryan Firebee, a jet-powered reconnaissance drone. These drones played a vital role in gathering intelligence during the Vietnam War. In the 1970s, Israel revolutionized drone technology. Their Mastiff and Scout drones proved the value of UAVs for battlefield reconnaissance, paving the way for the modern tactical drones we see today. The 1990s introduced a game-changer, the Predator drone. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and later weapons, it transformed modern warfare. Its successor, the Reaper, continues to play a critical role in military operations worldwide. Drones aren't just for the military anymore. By the 2010s, advances in technology brought drones to the public. Companies like DJI made drones accessible for photography, agriculture, and even delivery services. From balloons in the 1800s to AI-powered drones today, the journey of UAVs has been incredible. And as technology continues to evolve, who knows what the future holds? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into the history of drones, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think the future of drones will look like. See you in the next video.